Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I really wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I just heard something back in there. I just parked my bike right there. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna find out what the heck was that noise. As you can tell, park my bike. I wanna know what the heck that was. I really was not planning on doing a video today, but I was riding my bike through here. And not even like 2 seconds in me riding my bike, I heard something scream. Like a faded scream. Then I heard it again. This time it got closer. I actually don't even know what's going on. You guys see anything? Comment down below the timestamp, so I can go back and look at it. Because to be honest with you guys, I really don't know what the heck that was. I was just literally enjoying riding my bike. And all of a sudden I heard like a faded scream. Like, I seriously don't have no idea what it was. I just heard like a faded scream, I really can't tell you guys what it was, but it sounded like a kid scream. But I do got my bike all the way up there. I don't even know what the heck that was. This is weird. And I was seriously not planning on doing a video today. I don't know, but the faded scream sounded like it came from behind me. I was literally just riding my bike through this trail right here. This mountain bike trail. So I apparently have a mountain bike, so I'm going riding through this trail, and I heard like a kid's faded scream. Literally, the trail goes like all the way down in there too. Hold on, let me leave my bike here real quick. I'm gonna see if it didn't. I'm not gonna make no noise. I'm not going to do anything much No, that was actually weird. And I really was not planning to make a video. What am I getting here? Why are there just like random berries here? Is this a berry bush? Whoa. I just heard a branch break. No. Bro, something's here, guys. Yo, I know y'all just heard that branch break. It either came from behind me or it came in front of me, but I'm pretty sure it was in front of me.